Today we're on top of the Kara Little building. We are loading our first solar modules for the next large installation of solar at USC. It's going to be over 600 kW and we're going to cover 2 full roofs. So it's going to take 60 crane picks over 3 days to lift 1,042 solar modules onto the roof. Once all installed, that's equivalent to taking 115 cars off the freeway. Here we are, 3 months later, back on the roof of the Kara Little building to what will be USC's largest solar installation. The over 1,000 modules have been installed, and we're now working on all the electrical work, connecting the modules together and then interconnecting it to the building. At that point, we're going to start pumping clean energy, and I can't wait to see that.